Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cinematic intro in CapCut PC. So I'll just add like a black background here, and I'm going to freeze frame it so I can adjust the duration myself. Go to text, and you're going to add in your default text. I'm just going to type in cinematic. That's not how you say that. I mean how you type that. And just select a font that you want to use for this. Make sure it's kind of bold. Why does this font do this? Let's just use this one. I think I'm just going to make it like cinema instead. Go to animation, go to N, and select the type 1 animation. And you can adjust the duration to your liking here. And then I'm just going to kind of cut it right about here. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and place it on top. And add like a background of something else underneath. It can be anything that you want. I'll just select this one for instance. Select your video, go to video, go to blend mode, and select the darken one or the multiply one. And here I'm just going to adjust the opacity a little bit to around 80%. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I also added in a fade out animation here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!